Hello, my name is Tucker, and welcome to a demonstration of DeepCurrent's intelligent data capture solution. Today you will see the workflow to process an invoice and collect key values required by the customer. In this example, DeepCurrent is about a week into our engagement with the customer processing this particular invoice style. Our platform has not processed or captured any data from this client's document style prior to this deployment. In just 1 week's time, you'll see that the system is able to autonomously locate most of the trained fields. A human will use the visual annotator tool to efficiently complete the remaining work. Leveraging this tool takes vastly less time and yields higher accuracy than if a human performed the data entry manually. So let's get started. As a clerk arrives at the annotation screen, they will see the original document on the left, allowing them to verify all information against the source of truth. The DeepCurrent system has already processed the document, meaning it has been de-skewed, denoised, OCR'd, intelligent and classified as an invoice, and the predicted fields have been captured. These predicted fields are shown in the upper right-hand box and identified by light bulb iconography next to the required fields and by a red bounding box on the document. Most predicted fields are validated in just a few seconds by checking the predicted value against the highlighted red box on the document. For example, the tax rate of 13% is indeed correct. You may want to take an extra step to validate longer, more complicated fields, such as the VAT registration number. To do so is simple. You'll click on the word you want to select, and you'll see an enlarged image of the original text directly above the extracted OCR text, making it very efficient to validate the information. This large VAT number is a nonsensical string of letters and numbers that leaves significant room for hand keying error and requires a large amount of time for accurate entry. Our process is both more efficient and more accurate. As we are only 1 week into deployment for this customer, not all fields will be predicted. The invoice number has not been predicted, so let's capture that. Simply click on the invoice number and compare the original image against the extracted text. You then label the field accordingly. The process of verifying and labeling will reduce the number of input errors and drastically increase the throughput rate. Date received and vendor name are not present on this document, so we've effectively captured all required fields. Once all required fields are captured, I'll select Finish Document. The required fields will then be exported to the system of record. The data of every click, annotation, and verification made during this process will be leveraged by DeepCurrent to further train the system on this particular document type, continuously improving the platform for future documents. Thank you for your time. If you have any questions, please reach out to the email below.